Hi there, I am Alex Cunningham, and I will walk you through this Shopify tutorial step by step.
Today, I'll walk you through how to change your Shopify store location, step by step. Whether you're moving your business to a new address, opening up at a new spot, or just need your online details to match your real-world workspace, this quick tutorial will show you exactly how to update your location in Shopify. By the end of this video, you'll have your store's new address set up, so orders, local pickups, and shipping can all reflect your latest information. Let's get started. First things first, you'll want to go to your Shopify admin page. If you're sitting at your computer, open up your browser and log into your Shopify account as you normally would. The admin page is basically your command center. This is where you manage everything from products and orders to settings and customizations. If you've never changed anything like this before, don't worry. Shopify's layout is pretty user-friendly, and I'll walk you through it. Once you're in your admin dashboard, look for the Settings button. You'll usually find it at the bottom left corner of the screen. Clicking Settings is kind of like opening up the toolbox for your entire store. From here, you can edit anything behind the scenes, including your store's physical location info. After you've opened the Settings menu, the next step is to click on Locations. The Locations section keeps track of all the places your business operates from: physical stores, warehouses, pop-up spaces, you name it. If you fulfill orders from multiple places, they'll be listed right here. For most store owners, there will probably just be one main location, but everyone's setup is a little different. Now, in the list of locations, find your shop's current location, the address you want to update. Click on it to open up all the details. This is important because Shopify uses this information to calculate shipping rates, handle pickup orders, and let customers know where you're based. Imagine you've moved your shop across town but forgot to update your Shopify settings. Customers could end up going to the wrong address, or shipping information might get mixed up. So it's definitely worth getting this right. Once you're looking at your specific location details, click the Edit button by the Address section. Take your time as you input the new address. Double-check for any typos. An incorrect street number or missing suite number can cause lots of confusion down the road. If you have a larger business footprint, maybe moving from a small office to a warehouse, make sure to add any relevant details for drivers or customers picking up orders. When you've updated your new address, go ahead and hit Save. Sometimes this part might take a few moments as Shopify processes the updated information. Don't worry if it feels like nothing's happening. Just give it a second, and soon your store's details will be up to date. This step is crucial because Shopify piggybacks on this address for pretty much all location-related features, so nothing gets missed. And that's it. You've now successfully changed your Shopify store location. Now, your customers, shipping providers, and everyone involved knows where you are and how to get your products to the right place. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you have any questions about updating your Shopify settings, feel free to drop a comment below. I'm always happy to help out. Don't forget to like the video if this helped you, and hit subscribe so you don't miss out on more practical tutorials just like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.